Yesterday, I went to the Home Depot. Yeah, my favorite store in the world. Uh, we're looking for mothballs. So, go there, and we see a gentleman who obviously works there because he's wearing an orange smock or an orange apron. Ooh, orange apron sounds girly. Let's just say a orange protector from the dust. And so we say, hey, do you know where I can find some mothballs? And what follows is a case of mistaken identity. The gentleman is like, mothballs? Mothball working this morning, but he went home. Mothball not here? Mothball here? No, mothball not here. Maybe come tomorrow, I get somebody else for you. Really? Who names their child Mothball?
Star date, Saturday, April the 13th. 6:46 p.m. Got home. What was that about? Got home just now from Niagara Falls. Went to Fallsview Casino. I see commercials on the television about that casino all the time. So yeah, I was having a little bit of Vegas withdrawal. So I went to Fallsview Casino on the Canadian side, and I threw down $7. And I won on one of the machines that, guess what, they still have them around. And then the imaginary coins. Yeah. Because I'm always like, they have all these slot machines or whatever, slut machines, that you press the button and it spins. But no one does the old school no more. So I was like, hey, you guys getting any of them slut machines? So anyways, I found one and it got me lucky. I think I won like $2, like $3. Money, 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 money. I'm gonna quit my job. No. And I had $3 left over, but I'm like, I'm just gonna gamble it on a Lotto 649 tonight because the jackpot is 55 million bucks. It's a $2 ticket, but I thought, let's stretch it out and be really gangster and throw in the extra dollar and add encore. Because that's how I roll. Well, I actually roll like this, but I'm not much in a dancing mood because I just threw on dinner in the microwave and I'm making no sense whatsoever. Random. Yeah, I'm gonna go eat some chicken teriyaki. I'm blabbering too much. Maybe it's that Timmy's I had. Yeah, the rope throwing's over. I didn't get to play a contest. Also, I had my blood taken yesterday, guys. Orders from the doctor. It's like, they like to do that every year. Anyways, so this lady takes my blood and I felt it. Normally it's a cute little pinch. Oh, 10, But she was like doing like this, and she stuck it in the arm, and then she would change the vial, and when she was changing the vial to get more blood, I was like, hey, what the, what the, Anyway, she opens her drawer, and there's like Band-Aids and stickers, like, good job, I'm proud of you. I'm like, I don't get a fucking sticker. No sticker from me. I wanted a sticker, but my pride's at stake, right? She already had my arm, a little baby on there. I don't want a sticker. Because that's embarrassing. Although I wanted a sticker. But I was too proud. I'm like, you hurt my arm. And I asked her, like, are the needles bigger now? Because I remember barely feeling it going in last time. But did you upgrade the fucking needles? Needles 2.0. Before it had needles 1.9, but now you've taken an upgrade. It's almost like the point of the needle, you could see the hole in the needle. Like you could have put thread in that thing and sewn my arm back together after she jabbed me. Okay, enough venting. Anyways, gotta go get my chicken teriyaki because I'm starved. I'm gonna try that new beer by Molson Canadian. Molson Canadian wheat beer. 100% whole wheat. Sounds like a bread. Doesn't sound like a beer, does it? Alright. Talk to you later, you two delicious.